Here is the focus position. Based on this, we are using focus 0. Every time we look for the focus point, let's start from focus 0. Let's find the metal plate and weld it at a low power. We find that its light is very weak. Then we continue to adjust. We're up to -5 now. Loosen it up. And then we'll lock it up again. Now the sparks are flying out again. And then we're going to go back in. We'll go to -10. And then pull it again. The sparks are also flying. So let's take the middle value and use -7. You can see that the light is very strong. So that means when we adjust the focus, we use different focus points to achieve this kind of very strong sparks. So it's at the focus position.